the Birdsong Boy.
Hello everybody, I'm back. It's yours truly, the Birdsong Boy. And today, I'm whipping your bird imitating skills into shape. Because today, we are gonna learn about everyone's favorite speedy bird, the Roadrunner.
Meep, meep.
And don't worry, we're not gonna do sprints, and no, you are not gonna run the 100-meter dash. You're gonna learn how to imitate his calls. I am the Birdsong Boy after all, so get your running shoes on, because today you're gonna learn how to become a world-class Roadrunner imitator. And no, we are not learning how to say meep, meep, don't you dare. So let's go. All right, let's get started. First call, when a male roadrunner is trying to find a girlfriend or trying to protect his territory, he makes this sound. Kind of like this. Woo, 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 woo. Now it's your turn. Almost. Try making it like long at the end, like this. Woo, woo, woo. Ooh, ooh. You try it. Awesome! You're almost there. Nice to show those bird muscles. Did I forget to put deodorant on today? Anyways, let's get to the second call. Oh, you're back. Time for our second call. So when a male roadrunner calls to the female roadrunner, here's how she responds. Kind of like this. Now you try it. Close. Try making it from the low voice like to a high. Now try it. Awesome! Now you're ready to find Roadrunner love. On to the next call. Whoa! Congratulations on making it to the final call. So when these Roadrunners are trying to communicate or trying to scare off an intruder from their area, they make this sound. Kind of like this. Now you try it. Really close. Try doing this. First, put the screech first, then put your lips together and do this. And then do that about 3 times. Now it's your turn. You got it! Congratulations, you have passed the Roadrunner session. Here's your badge. Alright guys, it's TikTok reaction time. Roadrunner edition. Today I have some help from my cousin, Bella.
Roadrunnering.
That's your Roadrunner imitation. Don't judge her. Anyways, let's get into it.
What on earth is it doing? What's it doing?
What?
What's it doing?
What the heck?
You're not a dog. Leave.
Is that a piece of wood? I don't know what that was.
That was a roadrunner wagging its
I am ready to get hurt again.
I said it had to be Wild Coyote.
Well guys, that's gonna end it for today's video. I'm super proud of you guys. Your bird imitating skills were awesome. Thank you for all the support on the channel. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. And in the meanwhile, get outside. Go check out the new birds. It's a beautiful world out there. And as for me, I'm out of here. Meep, meep. Vern, that does not look right. Well, guys, that's gonna end it for today's video. I'm super proud of you guys. Your bird imitating skills are improving. I forgot what my
Yeah, we gotta get it.
I can do this. I can do it. Come.